your friends? Where are your friends, huh? Where's Rocky? Where's Dovey? Where's Dovey and Rocky? There's Dovey. And there's Rocky. Where's your new house? There's your new house. Well, one of them. There's one of your new friends. There's your toy. Another friend. There's one of the holes, one of the other dogs dug. Yeah, you're not in trouble for that, are you? No, you're not. You're not. No, you're a good boy. Say hi to everybody. Hi, everybody. I'm happy. Hello, I'm happy. Where's your bone? There's your bone. Let's go see. Let's go. Oh, where's your friends? Show them your friends. Show them your friends. Let's go see your friends. Where's Dove? Hey, hi, Dove. Where's your new friend? Oh, he's got his bone over there. Dovey has her bone. Rocky has his bone. There's your house with the solar panel. Okay. Everybody's happy. Daddy still has to name you. Yes. Say hi, everybody. I'm happy. I had my dinner.